So that would be Carrie and Carrie with Flynn first, and then Deb with Torrance.
Division.
Flynn is first. Yep, you guys are up. All right. So I would say get Flynn right down to the end, and don't let Flynn think too much here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yep. Okay. All right. Hey guys, try and keep your hands out of the water. Flynn is kind of new at this, a little nervous, so we're going to try and get Flynn focused. Let's help Flynn out. Ah, we got it. Ready? All right, one more time, guys. Let's help Flynn out. Make some noise. All right. 3 feet right on the nose there. 3 feet. All right. This next one might be a little easier for you now that Flynn's kind of gone in there. Sheepdog in his spare time, Flynn. These guys really these guys, to their credit, they've been working hard all weekend with Flynn, trying to get the dog to jump in, and it finally happened last night. So they've been working very hard with Flynn for the first time getting them in. So they've done a great job. One last time. Yeah, all right. So 210 on that second one, but 3 feet will be your best jump. So good job, guys. Very good. So they've been patient and worked hard, and they got Flynn to finally get into the finals, and they did a good job right there. All right, moving to Deb and Torrance. Deb and Torrance coming up. Not 6 months old now, Torrance is 6-month-old Belgian Malma bred in Cherkar Kennels. This dog's first competition.
So this dog's just a little puppy.
First competition is this weekend.
This dog's just a youngin'.
And I think we're jumping personal best maybe earlier, right around 8 feet or so. So, very young dog. Gotta appreciate the age of the dog. 6 months old. First time, first event. Not only that, probably one of the biggest crowds you're ever going to see at one of our events. So that's a lot for even an experienced dog to deal with. Never mind a young puppy. So, to be honest, any jumps off the dock, especially for a young dog like this, is pretty big success right here. So, let's make some noise for Torrance. There we go. First jump. He got it. He does it. He always ends up going. Ready? You better get that.
Get the toy. Come on, you can get it. Get the toy. Keep your hands back. Keep your hands back. Get the toy. Get the toy. Get it.
All right. Let's one more time, guys. Let's make some noise for Torrance. Okay, come up behind him a little bit. He got it.
Get the toy. Get that toy, huh?
Yeah, you better get that.
Good boy, yes.
You can do it.
Get the toy.
There's some teamwork going on right there. Ready, you got it. Ready? Yeah, you can come up behind him like we did with Flynn. That's fine. That's what they did with Flynn. It's okay.
Get it, go!
211 over there. 211. Flynn, though, is still in charge over here with a jump of 3 feet. Flynn still holding the lead. Now, I have seen Torrance jump 7 or 8 feet. So, but this is a lot to process. Look at all you guys here. And we want Torrance to get used to the noise. So you guys are doing a good job because he's going to be competing a lot in his lifetime. And it's going to be noisy just like this. So he needs to get used to it. So this is a good first venue for him. He can handle this. He can handle anything. So you guys are doing a great job helping him out here. Let's hear it for Torrance. gonna get that.
Good. That's good.
Ready, one more time, guys. Make a little bit of noise. Ready? I hope he can jump like he can. He could get a jump. It's a lot. He's only 6 months old. Just don't push him in, but you can come up behind him like they did with Flynn. That's okay. So, alright, here we go. One more attempt here. This is more people than he's seen all weekend. We've had some big crowds, but you guys are by far the biggest he's seen, so.
Come on.
Bring him back one more time.
Good boy, I got you. Good boy.
Alright, really? Set.
Ready? Good boy. Are you ready?
Let's do it for Torrance.
Ready?
Here you go. Cheryl almost went in.
Chickened out at the last second.
Can't score that one.
Get it, buddy. Get that.
It's still lots of fans, yeah. It's a big crowd, so I think it's, oh, well, let's let these guys flash them. You good? All right. He did good. He did good this weekend. He's had a couple of good jumps, 7, 8 feet. Thanks, guys, for trying to help the puppy out. He's only 6 months old, the youngest we allow competitors. So, he got that jump. That'll put him in second place. So, second place will go to Torrance. He's going to get his first ribbon at 6 months old, so that's pretty cool. And